Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a limited edition beauty box to share with you, and it is Glossybox and Zoeva. So inside you have a leaflet which tells you everything about the products in the box, so I'll be referring to that as we go along. And this is what it looks like. Hold on, if I take there, it'll give you a better idea. Now this collaboration beauty box is available to purchase now on Glossybox's website. It costs £30 for non-subscribers to Glossybox's monthly beauty box, or it costs £25 if you are a subscriber, and it has a value of over £85, and it contains 6 full-size products. Now if you've been following my channel for a while, you will know that I've got a little bit of a obsession with Zoeva brushes. I have the full collection. Oh, I just love them. I've been using them for years and years. They are my favourite brush brand. Zoeva and Sigma, I'd say those two are my favourite brush brands. But yeah, I've also got a eyeshadow palette that I was bought as a present a couple of years ago, and I think that's about it as far as anything else I've tried. So I'm really excited to see what's inside this box and to try everything out. So starting off with an eyeshadow palette. It's the outer packaging. Now this is the Cocoa Blend palette. I haven't got this one. I can't remember what mine is called actually. I can't remember now, but it's the same size as this. And those are the colours. So gorgeous colours for autumn. Really pretty. We've got some really nice shimmery ones and a gorgeous matte dark brown one as well. Okay, let's try a few on my hands. That is so pretty. Yeah, stripes look great on my hand. But just to give you an idea of the shade. Oh my words, they are so gorgeous. Really buttery smooth. Oh, I love them. I love them, especially the copper and the red. I've just blended it all in together now, never mind. So the recommended retail price for this palette is £21. This stunning eyeshadow palette boasts 10 warm truffle tones that together can create ultra seductive makeup looks. That's the first item in the box. Next, I'm going to show you some brushes. Now these are little minis. So it comes in a little pouch. Oh, it's got Zoeva written on there. Look. They are so cute. They are so cute. They're just really tiny. Well, short then. I'll just take these off. Now I have been told that one of my favourite ever brushes is in here. And I can see it already. Yes, the Zoeva 228. I just love it. It is an amazing brush. I've loved it for years and it's my go-to brush. They are amazing for blending out an eyeshadow. I actually use a 228 to create my eye look today. So I've got a black eyeshadow on my eye and I start off by doing like a circle. You might have seen it if you've watched any of my makeup tutorials, and using this brush you will see me doing this. So I start off in a little circle in the corner there in my crease, and then I just blend it slightly over, and then I blend it slightly out. The reason I love this brush so much is because it's kind of fluffy, but then it's got a little point in the middle. So what that means is that it goes right into your crease, so the actual shade is concentrating in the crease while the bristles on the outer brush are blending away what you're doing. So every little move that you make with this brush, you're blending as well. I did a whole eye look with this brush earlier on, and then I went in for a warm brown then, just to soften around the edges. But yeah, it's an amazing brush. Love it. It cost about £9 individually. But anyway, I could go on and on about that brush. But yeah, if you're a regular subscriber, you're like, oh Claire, stop going on, we know. And next we've got a Luxe Smoky Shader, and this is a 234. Show you there. This is great for packing on colour, especially in the corners here if you want like a lighter middle, like what I've done here. Packing on the colour there. Brilliant for cut crease as well. Perfect shape for doing a cut crease. Really nice brush. And this is a nice buffer brush as well. This is a concealer buffer, so 142. And that's a really nice brush just to get into the corners there. And then we've got a brow line. This is a 322. So this is for, well, this is multi-use. It's very fine, very thin. You can either use it to apply a brow product, or you can use it to sharpen up your underbrow with brow products, or you can use it with concealer. So if you're going for a look that is quite striking and you really want your eyebrows to stand out, applying a little bit of concealer under your eyes with this brush, you have more control over placements, so then you're able to apply it, and then just what I do, I just tap in the edges there with my finger. But yeah, no, I love these brushes. They are going to come on holiday with me, whenever that may be. It might not be next year, might not be the year after, all depends, doesn't it? But yeah, they are definitely my new holiday brushes. So to buy this travel set, it will cost you £22, and then it just goes into telling you basically what I've just told you. Next, we've got a eyeshadow base, and this is a eyeshadow fix matte long wear. I like the cardboard packaging, I like that. So it looks like this. Put a tiny bit on my hand there in the middle. Oh, it doesn't want to come out. Just tap that. I'm gonna... I can't see that clearly. I'm looking in the viewfinder. But yeah, I've put on too much now. But then hopefully you can see what it's like there. So it is tinted, which is nice because that helps in disguising any like veins, any darkness, any redness, etc. Enriched with rice silk and vitamin E, which are known to help smooth your skin. It creates the perfect canvas for your makeup. It also helps the pigments to stay put for longer and prevent any creasing. And the recommended retail price for this is £9. Next, we've got a Strobe Gel. And is this in shade Nova, maybe? It's 15 mils. That is really pretty. I love the packaging. Really smart packaging. How shimmery are you? These do make me nervous a little bit. Ooh, that looks a little bit odd. Oh, I know, it's going to my nails. I know, I'll just clean it out. But it's a gel. It's a really cool gel. Literally, it's cooling gel. It just looks so weird. It looks almost like something you would eat. Just put it a little bit there. You might not be able to see anything. I don't know, can you? Ooh, that's not as shimmery and holographic as what I thought it might be. And I think that would be gorgeous added to foundation. Or even if you were to apply, say, a first layer of foundation on your face, and then you go in with like a second like touch up with a beauty blending sponge or something, and you mix it in with the foundation, so you just apply it to certain areas of the face. I think that would be really, really gorgeous. It just looks disgusting. Now that you can see down my arm, which is very pale, you can see that there is like a coral tinge to it. This will cost you £13. This lightweight recipe melts effortless into your skin and can be worn lightly for a natural looking dewiness or layered for an intense strobing highlight. Apply to your cheekbones, brow bones, cupid bow and the bridge of your nose. So there's that. We've got a pure matte lips and in shade Dear to Dream. Shade You. Ooh, I wasn't expecting that. I don't know what I was expecting. Possibly a red. I think it's because I've been unboxing lots of red lipsticks recently. So it's a pure matte lip. Ooh, I do really like that shade. So it goes on very liquidy. Woo, I might as well paint in the rest of my hand there. So it goes on very liquidy, but I'm assuming that will mattify down and I will never be able to get it off my hand again. What would be really pretty actually is if you had like a darker lip liner that you buffed into your lips and then you apply this in the middle and like blended it all in. I think that would be gorgeous as well. Yeah, it's drying. It is drying. So the recommended retail price for this lipstick is £11. Not only does it coat your pout in a colour rich velvety smooth formula that sets to a gorgeous matte finish, but it is really comfortable to wear, transfer free and very long lasting for a beautiful finish. Use the tip of the applicator to line your lips, then fill them in. And then lastly, we have got a Graphic Eyes Black to Earth eyeliner. Black to Earth? Why is it called Black to Earth? It's a waterproof eyeliner. Let's try down there. Ooh. On its side and on the tip. Now that is quite a soft pencil. The recommended retail price for this is £9, and it says, offering the best of both worlds, this incredible eyeliner pairs the smoothness of a liquid eyeliner with the easy application of a traditional pencil, all without compromising on quality. Not only is it highly pigmented, but its smooth formula is so easy to blend and smoke out. Don't worry though, once dry, its waterproof and long-lasting formula stays put. You can apply it along both the upper and lower lashes. So that's the last of the item in the box. So I'm just going to go through them, giving you a bit of a recap. So we got a Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette. We've got a set of 4 travel brushes. We've got an eyeshadow primer. We've got a strobe gel. We've got an eyeliner. And lastly, we got a lipstick. There's 6 items in all. The cost of the box is £25 if you're a subscriber, or £30 if you're not a subscriber, and the value comes to £85. All links and everything related to this box I'll pop down below in the description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that would bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. I forgot to say at the start that this box was kindly gifted to me from Glossybox in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. But all my thoughts and opinions, as always, remain my own. So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed watching. I'd love to know your thoughts on this box. Have you ordered it, or are you just wondering whether this is a box for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.